Okay, here we are, complete. Here's the two ground rods that I had to put in. I had to bore the concrete there with a hammer drill and then pound my 8-foot ground rod in there. And then I went ahead and bonded it to the gas pipe here. I don't know if the city here is going to want that or not, but either way I just went ahead and did it just in case they did. And then also we had another ground rod over here. This ground rod right here is in San Jacinto. We're in the city of San Jacinto. They require two ground rods if the existing panel, the old panel, had a U for ground, which is a rebar that goes into the concrete for 10 feet, and they ground off of that. But when you're upgrading, you have to put in two ground rods because of that. So here's our second ground rod. Again, I had to bore the concrete out and then hammer it down 8 feet. I went ahead and de-energized and re-energized this myself. I don't recommend this to anybody unless you are a licensed electrician and have done it before. But basically what I did was I came in through here and I pulled out the old panel, I put the new one in, and then I de-energized and re-energized. I don't know if you can see that, but the panel is up and going. And then I've got my panel marked. Everything's marked here, and now I've got my inspection card here, waiting for the inspector to come and to write everything off if everything's good. Okay, JB Electric, have a good day. Bye.